Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. It is a quiet one out there. Make sure to take advantage of the nice day that we're going to have because things get more active by tomorrow through the weekend. And it's all associated with this strong fall storm system. It's going to bring in some rain, which moves in after midnight tonight. It'll bring in some strong winds throughout your Thursday, and then eventually a mix and colder air behind it with some lake effect this weekend. But I think the biggest impact from this storm system for tomorrow will be the wind. We will have winds out of the southeast with gusts in excess of 30 to 35 miles per hour in the central UP. Wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour along Lake Michigan and over into the Keweenaw. This is tomorrow morning and still going strong for tomorrow afternoon. That's 2 o'clock. Here we go for 6 o'clock into the afternoon. With that being said, a gale watch will be in effect for Lake Superior and a gale warning for Lake Michigan throughout that time span. The big impacts with those strong winds, I do think travel, yes, but not quite as much. I mean, your vehicle will be kind of swaying back and forth just a little bit, so you want to hold tight to the steering wheel. But we will also have some scattered power outages, potentially some down and scattered down trees and branches. We'll also have some large waves, which will lead to some minor lakeshore flooding and some beach erosion, especially right along Lake Michigan. This is that area of low pressure that's located over into the northern plains. Watch as it moves in. Clouds increase today ahead of it. The rain starts to move in after midnight tonight. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, so we will certainly still have some rain showers around, but this first initial batch quickly moves through. There's going to be a little bit of a break through late morning and early afternoon with a second round coming in during the afternoon, and it could be moderate to heavy at times throughout the afternoon and evening commute. This is 6:30 tomorrow. Winds will still be out of the southeast quite strong as that front moves through. Area of low pressure will then be to our north or just passing to our north by Friday morning, and there's going to be a little bit of a break from the precip, followed by more in the way of some scattered rain to the east, and a little bit more in the way of some snow developing in the western counties of the UP to Friday throughout the day. Then eventually we'll just transition completely over to lake effect. Now for rainfall amounts with this, around ½ of an inch to locally higher amounts possible across the south. Once the system moves through, we will be in a cooler pattern. There's that mid area of low pressure lifting northeast into Canada. We'll have general troughing in place, which will keep the cooler air around for us, and which will also help support some lake effect snow as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Today, upper 40s to low 50s to the west, mid 40s to upper 40s in the central and in the eastern counties of the UP. Looking ahead to the weekend, 30s for our high temperatures throughout the weekend. It will certainly feel chilly as compared to the warm stretch we've had.
Today's pets waiting for forever homes are at the Upper Peninsula Animal